Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Today we're going to be talking about winter 2022 wardrobe essentials. These are kind of playing into like winter 2022 trends, but also just things that are important to me in my closet for this upcoming winter. Okay, let's get into it. My belly doesn't fit into shirts anymore. So the first thing I wanted to talk about is definitely something that is considered a winter 2022 trend, and that's just like maxi everything. This even goes to the idea of like maxi pants, like pants that are too long and kind of like puddle at the bottom of your ankle. We are seeing this a lot with like the maxi skirt also, that it's not a midi skirt that people want anymore. It is a maxi skirt. I want the skirt to hit my ankles. This is the same idea with your jackets. So when looking at a trench coat, we want it to like hit at our ankles. I actually have two that I can show you. So this first one, I actually just thrifted, and if you guys watch my videos, you'll see it in the thrift haul. This one's all black wool trench. I got it for $13. You can find these so easily at the thrift, and they literally look just like the Aritzia or, you know, $400 wool trenches, but you can get it for something like $13, which is just insane. It's so heavy, so warm, definitely a staple in my wardrobe. I'm really happy that I picked it up in black. But I have this one that I got in like 2019, and it's in this camel color. I love both of these so much, dressing them up or dressing them down. Literally this camel colored one has been my go-to like fancy event coat since I got it. And now to have a black one I really enjoy. So making sure when you're buying a trench like this that it hits way below the knee will make it look so much more chic and fashion forward, and like you just get it. But also the fact that I had this one for so long now, and it's that long and kind of oversized boxy fit, just because that's something I like more, just shows that it's something that will stay relevant. Even if it's not trendy, it'll always like work in a wardrobe. So very important. My brain is the size of a peanut. The next thing I wrote on my list are maxi skirts, just because I feel like you can dress them up so well in the winter time. And especially, I always talk about these, but those Amazon fleece line tights are the best thing to ever happen. Pairing those underneath any maxi skirt with a high knee boot will keep you just as warm as a pair of pants, in my opinion. Plus, if you layer a maxi coat on top, I think it is just such a cute look to have like all this fabric and, you know, hitting all along the same like kind of line at the bottom. It's super chic looking, and you can dress them up or dress them down. That's what I love about these trenches, is that I could wear them with this outfit, which I'm literally wearing Adidas Sambas and joggers right now, and you put the trench over and you just look so much more chic. And then if I wanted to dress this up more, I could still keep my Sambas on but add the midi skirt, and it just totally changes the look. But everything's really interchangeable and cohesive, which I appreciate. Because things are just going into each other so well, the next thing I have on my list are a pair of fleece line tights. If you're somebody who always likes to wear your maxi skirts or your mini skirts or your dresses in the spring and summertime but feel like you can never transition them into the winter, trust me, try out these fleece line tights. They will change your life. I wore them all last winter, and I was able to wear things that I was never able to wear before in the winter time, especially if you pair them again with a knee-high leather boot. You will be kept so warm. The fleece line tights are definitely warmer than like any pair of leggings. So if you can wear leggings out in the winter, you can wear fleece line tights and a mini skirt. It's crazy and so cute, and people will think you're crazy because some of the fleece line tights are supposed to look like sheer black tights. So you look like a crazy person wearing sheer black tights in freezing weather, but you're actually warmer than like, especially people wearing jeans. Jeans in the wintertime freeze. Jeans in the wintertime do not keep me insulated at all. The next thing I have in my 2022 winter essentials are cable knit sweaters. I think they are so trendy right now, and they are so easy to thrift. Even if you can't thrift in person, you can find these on Poshmark, Depop, eBay for like $20 and under, especially if you want something like Polo, Ralph Lauren. They have so many of these style cable knit sweaters. So this is what I mean by cable knit. This material, or this pattern, knit style. I actually thrifted this one. I don't remember how much it was, but I thrifted it in one of my videos, but I have no idea how much I paid for it. I can't remember. I want to say under $12, but who knows. This one is a bit more fitted, which I really like, just as like something different, because I'm more of an oversized sweater girl. But then I also have this one that I couldn't have paid more than $5 for at the thrift store. And this is the brand Izod, which is a bit of a cheaper brand, but it's got the cable knit again. This was thrifted in the men's section. The other one was women's section. And this is a bit of a more oversized feel, which sometimes I like to wear as well. I can actually still wear that one as well, which I like because this one doesn't fit me right now. This cable knit has been all over the runway, especially in like the Prada, especially in the Miu Miu runway, I think it is. But I see this cable knit everywhere. Also, Aritzia is selling like cable knit sweaters. Dumb expensive, and I bet you they're not as good quality as Polo and Izod. Polo and Izod have my heart. So make sure you check out like eBay, Depop, even maybe ThredUp for these cable knit sweaters. I just bought a navy blue polo one off Poshmark for 20 bucks. 20 bucks to me seems like a lot for a sweater too, because I'm used to getting these for like under 5, under 10. And then I look at Aritzia and see it for like 100 and I'm like, okay, 20 bucks, like I can splurge. I think another really great sweater to incorporate in your 2022 winter wardrobe is an off-the-shoulder sweater. I don't have mine because I lent it to my mom. I think they are so pretty. And finally, we have like a going out top that can keep you a bit more warm. I feel like we were all trying to make like little bustier corset tops work in the winter time. And you know, like you can make it work in the winter time, obviously. Having a sweater that is a bit more feminine and flattering and dressed up, I think is really nice because yes, like cardigans are super cute. To me, they're a lot more, I don't know, not like a going out top. I still really like the off the shoulder top though, as a casual, like pairing it with a pair of joggers or whatever. But I like that it can look a lot more dressed up. I think pairing a black off-the-shoulder sweater with a like black skinny scarf is such a chic and cute look. Or just like, you know, the leather tie, like big pendant necklaces that everyone and their mother has is super cute. To have this place to like show off a nice big necklace or neck accessory, it's like a blank canvas and really pretty and feminine and flattering. So I love it and pairs with everything. The next thing I think that's really important for winter 2022 are thick belts. So I actually just thrifted this belt. It's got like this black contrast stitching and I got it for 3 bucks, real leather, super nice quality. I think putting something like this through the pant loop of your like jeans or khakis or whatever is a really cute look and just adds like a little something to your outfit. It's just like, well, if your pants are too big, obviously, yes, because I've been a hater of the shoelace belt for too long now. So finally we can all start wearing belts again, but also I think just using it as an accessory like a necklace is a really cute touch. I don't know, I like it. But also I think a super thick belt is really cute. So this one's actually the brand Moschino. I got it on Depop not too long ago. Oh, I'm obsessed with this one. It doesn't fit me right now because big belly, but I think pairing this like low rise, just like sitting on your hip with any pairs of pants or even like a maxi skirt or something is so cute. I feel like finding a big belt at the thrift store is so inexpensive and easy to do. It's a very like inclusive trend that we can all take part of. And also I like that it's not just like a winter 2022 trend. Big belts have been trending for a minute now and we can definitely keep wearing them in the spring and summertime. So why not? I like it. The next thing are just winter accessories in general. So I wrote mittens, earmuffs, fur hats, and scarves. Like you can't go wrong with any of these things. I'm so much more of a mitten girl than a glove girl. I think they're so much more cute and like vintage feeling. They're a lot easier to knit too if you guys knit or crochet or whatever. What did I say? Earmuffs. We were seeing a lot last summer, and I wonder if the earmuffs trend was what kind of got us into like this AirPod Max big headphones trend. Food for thought. Also, wearing your headphones in the winter will keep your ears warm just because it like blocks the wind. I'll put my headphones on anytime I take Ernie out and it's cold because they just keep my ears warm. I don't have earmuffs, but like big fluffy earmuffs are so freaking adorable and super practical. And then the like fur hats we were seeing a lot last winter, whether they were like cheetah print hats or little fur hats. Those are really easy to find on eBay and thrift as well. I've thrifted my cheetah print fur hat and I like it more as like, it's almost like a beanie but then with a rim. It's not like a bucket hat. That's a tip. And then scarves, you can't go wrong with any type of scarf. I like a bit of a thicker scarf for the winter time just because it's a bit more practical. I still think the skinny scarf is cute but more as like a necklace than something to keep you warm. So I have this super long one that I got off Poshmark, and then I have this super cool one that's like a graphic scarf from Hysteric Glamour, and I like to, because it's short, I just kind of like wrap it around my ears and tuck it in my jacket. And it's almost like a balaclava type look, and I think that's super cute. I have a lot of other scarves, but I haven't taken them out yet because it's 70 degrees today. So, and the last winter 2022 trend I have written are statement purses. We're seeing a lot of like chainmail and like sequins and glitter in our purses, and I think that's super fun. We were seeing a lot of metallic the past couple seasons. I've got 3 like statement purses right here. This one's like a pop of color, but with a really cool like chain strap from Marc Jacobs. We have this metallic blue one from Versa Bags. She's my favorite on Etsy. These are handmade, insane quality bags. And then I have this one that I've had for like 2, almost 3 years now from Versa Bags, and it's just a silver metallic at a little bit of a bigger size. We're seeing bigger size bags too. I think any size bag with like a statement color or pattern or texture or material is a really cool and fun look, especially if you have like your black wool trench all the way buttoned up because you're cold, and you know, you have your little fur hat on and maybe just like black boots. To be practical, you can add like your metallic purse and it just adds a little bit more flair to your outfit. Those are my winter 2022 fashion essentials. Let me know in the comments below what you think your fashion essentials are for winter. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in a few days. I love you the absolute most. Bye.